Okay, how to win at Keno. Play these 7-spot Keno numbers to win for free. This lucky 6 out of 7 is a proven way to win at Keno. You need to watch the end of this video to be even more successful at Keno. Copy this lucky 7 spot for your next casino visit. Subscribe so you can learn our Keno secrets and be a winner. Okay, let's watch another bonus round video of more winning Keno 7 spots. Alrighty, new 7-spot Keno numbers for this bonus round. Be sure and jot them down. Oh, by the way, are your current Keno numbers not working? Change your luck with this 7 spot. Subscribe if you want to win more at Keno. Okay, let's see how we do with this 7 spot. Okay. The bet is 10, the coin is 10. Be sure and jot these numbers down. Okay. Great way to start, 4 out of 7. Got them 60 credits going early. Awesome. Another 4 out of 7. Could do with a few more of those. That would be nice, wouldn't it? These. Another. Wow, that's a 3 out of 7. Okay. These numbers really have been lucky for us. Last one. Okay. So, bonus round was 140 credits. Let's see what got us here. Well, I guess they really are lucky after all. 5 out of 7 for another 70 on top of that, for a total of 210 credits for this bonus round. Okay, we have another set of lucky Keno numbers for you. Let's change them up a bit and see how we do. Okay, an easy change to the Keno numbers. Be sure and write it down. Subscribe and see how often we change our Keno numbers to change the Keno machine algorithm. If you want to win at Keno, you need to stay one step ahead of the Keno machine. Okay, let's see how this change helps us in our bonus round. Alrighty. Okay, good. Okay, start. 3 out of 7. Another 3 out of 7. Be sure and write these numbers down. They are lucky. Well, the bet is 1, and that's at a quarter. And I did say these were lucky, right? Let's go, let's go. That's always nice. Yeah, 6 out of 7 got us to 226 credits. And of course, the 4 out of 7 gives us a total of 229. Wow. Listen up. These Keno numbers really do work. You need to subscribe and get more free winning 7-spot Keno numbers for your next Keno visit. Oh, by the way, beginners, free winning Keno numbers, tips, tricks, and strategies on these 2 videos. You need to watch another video. And by the way, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next week.